What's up, guys? It's Kuya, and today we're gonna do the coolant lines for the 240. So we're gonna do so here's an upper one, there's a lower one down there. Now all you need is a flathead for this. So we're gonna go ahead and take those off, drain it out, put some new ones. We got the new lines right here, and we got the coolant right here. So yeah, let's get that going. And when you're doing this, if you could hear this, and you could feel it, it's just not that great. I just want to change it out because we just got this car. So change those out, make sure it's really nice. So here's that. So you got your flathead right here, but all right, when you guys do this, drain out the bottom hose where it connects to the radiator down below. So I'm gonna go underneath and start doing that. So as you guys can see, I took off the bottom line, which is right here, and we're just draining it out in here. All you have to do is loosen this, take it out. It's pretty much plug and play at that point. So we're just gonna let that drain out, and we could start taking off the other side. So yeah, let me get to that. Now you're gonna come, and this is the other end of the bottom coolant line. So we're gonna undo this part, get that off. Bada bing, bada boom. This is off right there. So we're gonna pull that boy out now. Bada bing, bada boom. This is off. So we got the old one right here, and here's the new one up here. Now we're gonna go ahead and take off the top one, which is just these two clamps up here on the radiator and right here. So let's get these off. So the top one's off now, right here. It's right here. So when we put it back, I'm actually gonna put the lower one first. That way I have more of a angle to get my hand in here. So we're just gonna let it drain out a little bit and put the bottom one back on. So on the top right here, we got it going. So that's tightened down. So I'm gonna do the bottom now, the lower radiator hose. So let me get down there. So on the bottom, we got it attached to there. All it is that right there. So now let's do the last hose on top. So the top one's on right here, nice and tight. Last thing to do, obviously put coolant in your radiator. So let's go get that. So we just topped her off. I'm gonna squeeze it right here. You guys see that? All right. So we filled her up. Now we'll start her up and whatnot, and then see if it's all the 4 freaking things I took off, see if I did it right. So let's go ahead and start her up. All right, so let's go ahead and start her. No leaks. All right, looks good. And that, you guys, is how you change your coolant hoses on your 240. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. See what else I do to the car. This is just small details that I'm doing. We got a bunch of stuff coming. All right, we got coils coming. We got the 5 hub adapter coming. We got some brake pads that I could do and whatnot, and some spark plugs that we could do. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment your 240 down below, or comment whatever, and follow. Yeah, appreciate it, guys. Peace.